did you order?
You got big breakfast. That's the name.
With a big breakfast.
Yeah.
But you get the cold one.
Okay, I'm expecting that. I got my chocolate anyway. I'll drink this later.
So, okay, mga kabayan, magandang umaga. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa McDonald's. Yes, McDonald's. Circumferential. So, basically, matalang ka mo sa pag-entrance kay ka hindi pagidya ang setup ya sa entrance. I-follow mo lang ang drive-thru. Pagkatapos, sa drive-thru, nayara parkingan. Ito parking ka kung hindi ka mag-drive-thru. Pero kung mag-drive-thru ka, i-follow mo ang drive-thru. So that's it. Yep. Alright, hello mga kabibes. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Bacolod. Ito yung sa Circumferential Road ng McDonald's. So we eat our breakfast. Just what did you order?
You got big breakfast. That's the name.
So the big breakfast.
Yeah.
But you get the cold one.
It's okay, I'm expecting that. Because I got my chocolate anyway. I'll drink this later.
Okay. So I ordered the longanisa. That's it. But we get some apple pie. And this one is the McCafe. So pagpasok namin kanina, wala nakapila doon sa magbabayad. Pero i-insist nila na dapat talaga pipila doon sa order some drink. Tapos magbabayad ka na lang doon. So doon ka mag-order. So prepare out mo yung receipt. Tapos mapipila ka ng bayad. So pagkatapos ka magpila ng bayad, syempre i-claim mo. Pero separate yung pagkukuha mo ng drinks. Kasi yung may separate sila na sa pala sa drinks. Nandoon yung sa drinks. Okay, so let's see. So longanisa. At egg. Kung big eater ka ng breakfast, bitin sa ito. Kukunti lang. One serve, one egg, one longanisa. Maganda yung kape kasi malaki. So, yan po mga vibes, mga short vlog sa ating McDonald's Circumferential Road. Via Circumferential. Okay. So, that's it mga vibes dito sa McDonald's Circumferential. Okay, once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!